Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Fine Foods Food Review, the show for food lovers and eaters alike. And today we're going to be trying some traditional Italian cuisine, and to do that we've got a specific Italian dish that is known to most of the world as pizza, and I'll show you that there. In traditional Italian cuisine they call it pizza with the two Z's, which means that there's more stress on the Z, but to you and me that is pizza. So this is a traditional margherita, but to add to the authenticity of the dish we're going to be adding a few extra ingredients, and hopefully that'll bring out some of the more refined flavors in the food profile. So to add to this traditional pizza, we've got some biltong, which is a traditional meat that is used on pizza. It's been dry cured, and we've also got some sauce that's used in traditional Italian barbecue. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some of this dry cured meat. We'll get a single slice, put it on the pizza like this, and then we're going to fasten that down with some sauce. So I'm just going to put a bit of that on there, and I think that looks like the perfect traditional Italian slice of pizza. So I think we're going to jump right ahead and we're going to take a bite of this hopefully delicious Italian pizza. Okay, if there's one thing that I've immediately noticed about this dish, it's the juxtaposition of textures between the dry cured meat and the pastry in the pizza. So you have a very wide range of textures, and that's actually thrown me back a little bit, so I'm going to have to go in for a second bite to assess the full flavour profile. Okay, so what I've assessed from that second tasting is that the texture of the initial pastry is quite soft, and the cheese that is used to complement it definitely melts in your mouth, and it's incredibly tasty. Then you have that sort of hard biltong texture, which is actually quite difficult to chew. So you really need to do your jaw workouts if you want to successfully eat this meal. However, the flavour of the barbecue sauce, or sauce as it's called in Italian, really brings the whole dish together, and you get a very authentic Italian style meal. So I think to conclude, I would give this dish a 7 out of 10. I think the only thing that could have made it better is if it was heated, because I think that is the traditional Italian way to eat food. They would usually have it taken straight out of a wood oven, and while I definitely endorse traditional cooking methods, I don't have those resources on me right now, so I've had to take a more laid-back approach to the preparation. So the dish is a little bit cold at the moment. So maybe in a later episode I might try a heated version and see if it contrasts from my initial judging of the food. But that's all from me. It's goodbye from me, goodbye, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. You can send it to all of your friends. If you copy the link from this video, you can post it on your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, your Tumblr, your Reddit, your LinkedIn, your Snapchat,
MySpace,
and even your WhatsApp. So Don't forget to put it on your everything. You can even put it on WhatsApp and you can put it on Facebook. So it's goodbye from me, goodbye. It's goodbye from my friends in the back.